to install Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers correctly. A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Toyota 4Runner is by installing the wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of wheel spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT Cooling Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers is the active cooling feature. The BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation screws to make brake cooling better. Distributed in pedal shape. These screws allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improve safety. All BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are all forged. In addition, high-precision Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Install the rim and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the wheel lug nut on the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends checking the use of the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. We can see the wheel spacers push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more flush look with the fenders.